हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल स्मार्ट लर्निंग। आज हम लोग बात करने वाले हैं सैग कैलकुलेशन। सैग कैलकुलेशन पावर सिस्टम में बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्टर रखता है। इस वीडियो को समझने के लिए आप इस वीडियो को अंत तक जरूर देखें। आप आज समझ जाएंगे कि सैग कैलकुलेशन कैसे किया जाता है, पावर सिस्टम में सैग होता क्या है। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम लोग बात करेंगे व्हाट इज सैग। सैग इज नथिंग बट डिफरेंस ऑफ लेवल बिटवीन टू पोल एंड लोवेस्ट पॉइंट ऑफ conductor is called sag. Here is mentioned what is sag. You can see here definition of sag in easy way. As it is clear in definition, lowest point of conductor. This is the lowest point. You can tell this is O point, and this is a pole A and this is a pole B. That is called sag S. Here is mentioned sag S. The difference of level between two poles and lowest point of conductor is called sag. Here sag is represented by this figure. Now we will talk about sag calculation. We know here is a conductor of length L, and the length is divided in two part L by 2 and L by 2. We will assume here a tension which is T and W is the weight of conductor per unit length. Tick. Okay. Now we know this is a whole conductor. Tick. This is a assumption line. You can say this is a virtual line. An actual line. This is represented by this. Okay. Now we know we will assume a point on conductor, that is P. Here is mentioned a point P. We will calculate sag first of all at P. Okay. Now the distance between P and origin O is x, and horizontal distance between O and P is y. We know here is P. At the point P, two forces will exert here. First is gravitational force and other is tension. Okay. Here it will occur tension and gravitational force. We know as here mentioned W is the weight of conductor. Then the gravitational force at point P, what will be? Gravitational force at point P will be W into x. Here gravitational force into W into x at point P. You can write here gravitational force at point P, what will be? W into x. Okay. Here W is the weight of conductor and x is distance between O and P. Okay. Now other force is tension. T, tension on P, on point P. Okay. Now we know that first of all we know we have to calculate sag from this point to this point. Okay, that is called S. First of all we will calculate sag at point P. Now we know that what is moment. We know the formula of moment. Moment is equal to F into D, means force into displacement. You can write here moment is equal to F into D. F is force and D is displacement. Okay. Now we will calculate the moment at point P. Okay. Before calculating this, you can say if we will divide this point, we get x upon 2 at this point and x upon 2 at this point. Right? Okay. Now we know that moment at point P, y into t. Y, what y? Y is distance between P and this point you can assume Z point. Distance between Z and P, that is Y. Okay. Now moment is equal to x w into x, w into x and x upon 2. X upon 2 why? Because distance between origin to point O dash is equal to x upon 2. Okay, so what will be the question is, because moment is equal, we assume that the moment at point will be equal, so yt is equal to w into x upon 2. Now y is equal to what will be? Y is equal to w x square upon 2 upon t. Now this is a y point where we have been calculated sag. Okay, now if we assume this y is equal to b, okay, if we assume the y is equal to b, so what will be the y is equal to b? So what will we put? Y is equal to s, because distance between O and point this, you can say distance between O and A, what will be s. So we can put here y is equal to s, y is equal to s, and x is equal to what will be the? X is equal to L upon 2, because we are calculating sag from this point to this point. So what will be the x? S is equal to L upon 2. Now we will put the value of x and y. Y is equal to s and w x is equal to L upon 2. L upon 2 का whole square upon t. Upon t. Okay. 2. Because this is 2. Okay. So what will be the further equation? W L square upon 4 upon 2 t. Okay. Now we will write here. You can see here s is equal to w L square upon 8t. This is a final equation of sag. Here s is equal to w L square upon 8t. W is the weight per unit length of conductor, and L is length of conductor, and T is tension. So this was all about calculation of sag